Hello everyone, welcome back to our weekly codecast. For those of you who have not known me, my name is Xiaofan, or Dr. Lee as my lovely student would normally call me. I am a computer science teacher at an independent girls' school based in London. I wrote my first program, a Jingle Bells tune copied from a computer magazine when I was 12 years old, and since graduation from my degrees, I've also gained more than 12 years of experience in professional coding, earning a life as a quantitative researcher and developer across many different fields. First, at a large pharmaceutical company, then a scientific research lab, later for a large investment bank, and finally at a hedge fund. But last year, I decided to quit from my quant job to focus on teaching alone, which involves coding, computational and data sciences to school students. When I looked back, this has been the single most important thing throughout my career, as well as the careers of many others around me. The ability to solve numerical problems could even be more important for you guys when it comes to the ever-evolving exam syllabus, such as the GCSE or A-levels CS, maths, physics, or even geography, as well as many other school certification systems around the world. Numerical modeling and coding skills are also vital for the university entrance exams and interviews. And finally, like I had done many times before, the job interviews. Plus, the jobs themselves are increasingly numerical and data rich, in which you are expected to play a designer and supervisory role for the machines and the code you developed to labor up the actual field, with handsome rewarding either in money or in respect, or both if you're doing really well. It's safe to say that regardless of what you like, what you want to do, both my and your future will not escape from working with code, data and models. Simply because, like it or not, machines with automation and intelligence have crept into our lives and will not leave. We, either as a human being or as the human race, would like to get the upper hand of what's happening. You will have noticed that we are changing the format this week. In addition to having myself appearing in a video, we also get to start a real Python course from the absolute beginning. The course materials and online exercises are available for free at www.adbr.org, an online platform we built at Edbridge for teaching coding and quantitative sciences for everyone for free. When you register, please enroll the course named Python for Everyone, aged 6 to 99. Enjoy!